IronCAD represents a fundamentally better way to design in 3D. If you're new to CAD software, it's a lot easier to learn, and if you're an existing CAD user, it's so much faster and more flexible than traditional 3D CAD systems. IronCAD's advantage starts with letting you design in 3D from the beginning. You can skip the traditional steps of creating a plane, creating a sketch on that plane, and then creating a feature or extrude from that sketch. IronCAD has a range of predefined shapes which you can simply drag and drop out. You can then push and pull them to make precise changes in seconds. These shapes are features in disguise. They still have cross-sections and feature types which can be edited anytime. You can also save custom shapes and make your own custom catalogs with a simple drag and drop. This method is faster, easier to understand, and you get to skip the boring steps. These shapes and catalogs also have more advanced functionality built in, which we'll cover later in the video. You may have noticed we are designing multiple parts in the one file. IronCAD has a unified design environment, so you can design as many parts as you like in the same file. This, of course, makes file management a lot easier when compared to the traditional idea of having many individual files, but the advantages don't stop there. You can also largely skip the mating and constraining process from traditional CAD software. Traditionally, you would make every part individually, then at the end, bring them into an assembly and mate and constrain them all together. In IronCAD, they're already in the right place, so there's no need to do this. Then if you have moving parts, you can simply apply the movement constraints to those parts. All other constraints can be skipped. Anyone who's constrained a large assembly in a traditional CAD system before will know how much time IronCAD saves here. Then when it comes to 2D drawings, you can create all your individual part drawings from the one 3D file. We can select the parts for the individual drawings, or even use our bulk drawing creation tool, which will automatically place predefined views and create new drawing sheets for each part and assembly. And of course, when making changes to any part in 3D, the 2D drawings will be automatically updated for you. This is the Tri-Ball. It's a patented tool that IronCAD has developed for over a decade. It's won numerous industry awards and can do just about any positioning or copying function, all in just a few clicks and the whole time keeping you in 3D. The Tri-Ball often replaces the need for reference planes, positioning constraints, and patterning tools all in one. It can be used with shapes, parts, assemblies, and more, and can save hours upon hours of design time when compared to doing the same thing in a traditional system. Earlier we mentioned that catalogs and shapes can have more advanced functionality built in. Here's a catalogue of robot parts, which when drag and dropped onto each other, automatically position and constrain themselves with predefined movement. IronCAD's attachment points act as magnets, which align and position the geometry when it is dropped near them. Another catalogue here is filled with modular cart components. It contains both parts and assemblies, which automatically snap into their exact location and can be swapped in and out in seconds. This just scrapes the surface of IronCAD's capabilities, so start our free trial and see what IronCAD can do for your business productivity. And start getting more return on investment from every minute you use CAD software.